this video, you're going to learn 3 reasons why online dating may not be for Christian single women. Make sure you stay tuned because this will benefit you while you're out there doing your dating, you're in your dating season. So this is going to help you. So make sure you stay tuned. Now, I want to ask you this question. How many times, by show of hands, and it's okay because I can't see you, how many times have you felt frustrated? How many times have you felt disappointed? How many times have you just felt upset? Feeling like you're wasted your time online dating, you're making matches with people, then they ghost you, or they deceiving you, they lying about whatever, their relationship with the Lord, they're just lying. And you just think, okay, there's another match down the drain, another 30 minutes on a Friday night that I just wasted on this app. I keep deleting the app, but then I keep getting the app back. If that's you, hit the like button. It's okay. We all been there. Okay. So I myself have had that same experience. I was on dating apps on and off for a long period of time. And so I definitely understand that frustration, that disappointment, how it can zap your energy because you're just trying to put yourself out there. You're a working person, you might be a parent, and you're trying to maximize your chances of meeting somebody, and you decided to do online dating. However, I firmly believe that online dating may not be the best option for Christian single women, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. Now, first, we're going to get straight to the reasons. There's some other things that I wanted to cover, but I may not have time because I'm going to try to be in and out within 5 minutes. So we're going to get straight to the reasons. And if I have time, I'll go back to that. All right. So number 1, spiritual. So one reason why online dating may not be best for a Christian single woman is because it can affect your spiritual walk. What do I mean by that? You may find yourself praying less, reading your Bible less, not going to the Lord first, just being so distracted because your time is being consumed with online dating. Number 2, emotional. It can affect you emotionally. How many times have you felt drained by having all these interactions? It may have been many interactions back to back and none of them worked out. And so you felt drained, disappointed, let down. It's a no. It's not good for your emotional health. Number 3, distraction from purpose. And this is a big one. And this was probably the biggest one for me. I spent a lot of time on dating apps. And the time that I spent on dating apps, I was not able to use that time to be in my purpose and do the things that the Lord has called me to do. And so those are just 3 reasons. Again, we're going to do a quick recap. Number 1, spiritual. It can affect your spiritual walk. Number 2, emotional. It can affect your emotional health. And number 3, it can distract you from your purpose. Now, if you want to learn more, I would encourage you to sign up. So I'm actually having a class on February 22nd. We're having a virtual class. Check the description box. There's going to be a link in the description box down below. It's going to be free. It's going to be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm really going to teach on this more in depth. And I teach on this based on my personal experience, but also my professional experience working in family law for almost 6 years now. And so I've seen a lot of relationships. I know at least the breakdown of relationships. So make sure that you sign up for that if you want to be there. It's going to be a small class. So we have 12 seats. Right now, I have 5 out of 12 filled already on Eventbrite. I have 3 more filled from a meetup group that I have. So I really only have about 3 slots left. So if you know for sure you're going to be interested in that, make sure you go sign up for that sooner rather than later. Last thing I want to highlight before I run out of time is that I want you to check out the website. So I have a website, www.NasheiaSmith.com. And I want you to check out the website. You're going to see a link where you can sign up for a free coaching session. So that way you can get to talk to me one-on-one and you can kind of tell me a little bit more about your situation to hopefully get some advice. And so sign up for that. Also, stay tuned. I'm going to be adding some checklists, some free downloadable templates to the website as well. It's going to be a checklist such as, is he a God-fearing man checklist? Is he a God-fearing man or a counterfeit? And is this love or lust? So if you're interested in those checklists, let me know by hitting the like button. Comment down below and say interested so I can know who's interested. And that may speed up my process because I have to draft them and put them up there. But if a lot of people are interested, I'll do that sooner rather than later. And that's all I have for this video. Very short, sweet, to the point. Remember, you do not have to walk this journey alone. You have support. Let me hold your hand and walk with you as we both follow Christ. And until next time, be blessed and stay blessed on purpose. Take care. Bye-bye.